This is a massive double dog crate that was designed to look like furniture. I've worked really hard on getting our home to be aesthetically pleasing, so I could not let a dog crate ruin that. When I say this thing is massive, it is very, very large. So if you do not have a wall long enough to put this on, I would definitely not get it. Our master bedroom was the only room in our house that was able to fit this. It is 86.6 inches long, so just make sure you measure first. I do have a full-size Siberian Husky and Alaskan Malamute inside this right side, and then I have our new puppy, which is an Australian Shepherd, on the left side. Our Husky is very large, and you can see that she still has so much room in this crate. The doors are made of steel and so are the sides. You have a nice pull handle and you also have a steel lock. You get some storage space on here with the drawer and 2 shelves, which is great for storing toys, dog food, whatever you want. This is on a Black Friday sale right now, so if y'all want to grab it, I'll link it in the orange cart right down at the bottom.